Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation error code WS-43689-0. So let's go ahead and jump into this PlayStation tutorial right now. So this is kind of a frustrating error code because a lot of people use this to go ahead and purchase PlayStation Plus, and when they go ahead and try to check out and buy PlayStation Plus for whatever amount of years or months, they can't. They simply get this error code on the screen. And I think this error code pops up because a lot of people are trying to get the free trial for PlayStation Plus, and it's kind of like abuse of the system. A lot of people are just using it to get free PlayStation Plus on new accounts over and over and over again. And as a result of it, people who are legitimately trying to buy PlayStation Plus can't get it. So let's go over to my PlayStation right now where I have it up on my screen. So I'm trying to buy PlayStation Plus and I have it in my cart right now, and I can go to proceed to checkout and I'll get that error. So one thing that people are doing is when they're in the store, they're literally going to the avatar section and looking at the avatars by going to add-ons right here, and then going over to avatars and going down to this section, and then they're going to add filter and going down to price and under $199, and they're going to like a very cheap avatar. So I can see the cheapest avatars are like 99 cents. So let's add one avatar to my cart, like the skull one, and then go to proceed to checkout. So now I have these two items in my cart. I have the avatar and I have PlayStation Plus. And when you go to proceed to checkout now, with that avatar in there, even though it's only 99 cents, that's not a huge deal. You won't get the error when you go to proceed to checkout now. So for some reason, when you have this second item in your cart, you can go ahead and make that purchase and get the free PlayStation Plus trial or extend your membership. Now, the second way you can go ahead and try to fix this is literally waiting a little bit by completely turning off your PlayStation 4 and then literally waiting. But that doesn't seem to be the best option. I've been telling people, go ahead and try to purchase PlayStation Plus using the application on your phone. So here I have my phone, and this is a great application. I love the PlayStation application that's been updated. Go to the Google Play Store on your Android or iPhone device. Now on the top, I was on the Xbox application before. Let's go to the search bar and type in PlayStation app. So here we have it, PlayStation app. And open this up. So it will say a PlayStation app by PlayStation Mobile Incorporated. Let's go to open and install it and log in with your email and password associated with your PlayStation account. So I'm in a voice party right now. Let's go ahead and go back to the main screen. So this is the home screen on the app. On the bottom, you can see there is a PlayStation bag/store symbol. Let's select this. Then we can go ahead and purchase PlayStation Plus by going to subscriptions and then going down. And let's find PlayStation Plus. Here's PlayStation Now. Our quick links way at the bottom. Or we have our cart. I have something in my cart right now. And go to PlayStation Plus. And let's add it to the cart. So I have 15 months for $60. Go to add a cart. And let's go to the cart symbol on the top. And here we have it. So we have the skull in here. We can remove it from here. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the skull, and I'm just going to go ahead and try to purchase this on my phone. So this is real simple, quick and easy on your phone. Just go ahead and find PlayStation Plus under the PlayStation Store. Make sure you don't accidentally purchase like PlayStation Now, like this one is PlayStation Now, which you're not going to get PlayStation Plus with that at all. You're just going to get the free games. All right, here's a free trial for PlayStation Now. So make sure when you're going through here, you don't accidentally get PlayStation Now. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech help tips coming up next on YourSixStudios.